you can see, I am standing in the middle of Midway. It looks a little different than it does when you guys are out here during fair time, but there is something really exciting going on behind me. This is our greenhouse on the Midway, and if you guys don't make it out here during the fair or come down to this end of the park, we have a working greenhouse in the middle of the Midway, right? And so I want to take you guys in and tell you a little bit about what we're doing in agricultural innovation, kind of part of our celebrating our theme announcement. During the fair, you're going to be able to come in here and see an amazing indoor agricultural exhibit. Right now, we're using it to help grow some of our seasonal plants and things that go all over the grounds to make them beautiful during the fair. But if you follow me, we're going to come up on part of our Big Tex Urban Farm. And I know we talked to Drew. Drew does a lot of videos for us. Hey, Drew, this morning. So it's a little wet and cold outside. We're getting a lot of rain, but we don't need rain to make all of this stuff grow, right?
No, we've got water all in place and ready to go, so the weather doesn't bother us too much in here. That's one of the beauties of indoor ag.
You just got back from a conference on indoor ag.
I did. I just had a great time in Raleigh, North Carolina. Thanks to everyone for hosting us there. I learned a lot, and we look to implement some of what I learned into our systems here for the Big Tex Urban Farm.
So this was phase 2 of the Big Tex Urban Farm, right? So
yes.
We started with mobile beds that we put outside in one of the lots where we have people at concessions, so it had all of the infrastructure already there. We use those between April and August, basically, to grow. We have 520 of those, and we'll continue to do that. But this was kind of our phase 2. We wanted to have some more year-round production and also be able to produce during the fair. So this tank went in early September of last year, and we started producing and produced all the way through the fair.
We did, yeah, and we were really stunned by the numbers we were able to put out in that short amount of time between the fair time and January the 1st. And we continue to produce great numbers out of this system.
So what is the benefits of using a hydroponic system for farming?
Okay, there's a lot of benefits. Number one, you're growing in a protected environment, so the lettuce can just go crazy. It's a faster growing system where it would take probably 60 to 70 days to produce a head of lettuce from seed outdoors. We're doing it in about 35 to 40 days inside, so it's quicker. The volume is, we're able to put out
and these
more.
are beautiful. I mean, like, obviously you can see there's huge heads of lettuce.
Yeah.
They're really beautiful.
This is that oak leaf lettuce, and it is stunning.
That's oak leaf, and that's...
This is a butterhead lettuce.
We have collard greens.
Collard greens, hydroponic collard greens. We're the only people doing that in the area.
Oh, that's nice.
This is chives.
Right?
Yeah, so we do a little bit of everything.
So, this week we announced the theme for the 2018 fair. It's called Celebrating Texas Innovation. And I think everybody on staff here is really proud of the fact that we are looking at our mission, which is celebrating agriculture and education and community involvement. And the urban farm brings all of those together, right? We're celebrating and looking at innovative ways to farm in a mobile situation. There's a ton of education. Your team's out here during the fair, and this whole greenhouse will be an indoor urban agriculture exhibit during the fair, right in the middle of the Midway.
Yep.
And then let's talk about a little bit what happens to all of this produce after we produce it. So let me bring in Jason. And actually we can look at, because a bunch of lettuce just got harvested.
Yeah, absolutely. So through our core mission of celebrating agriculture, education, and community involvement, 100% of the food that we grow at Big Tex Urban Farms is donated to the Fair Park community. So 2 of our biggest groups that we donate to would be at the Juanita Craft Center at Baylor Scott & White's Health and Wellness Institute here in Mill City. We also provide food to Cornerstone Baptist Church, which is down on Martin Luther King. And through the growth of the program, we now donate to City Square, which is an awesome organization.
And all
here
of
in
these,
the city.
all of these organizations are in not even a couple miles, right?
Right.
They're all in different directions, but they're so close to Fair Park, and they're all incredible organizations who are doing amazing things in this community. I was looking at the numbers right before we started. We did 21,000 servings last year between the outdoor and the indoor. As of February 20th, which was earlier this week, we had done 12,000 servings.
Exactly.
So implementing this putting the hydroponic piece in definitely greatly increase the amount of food that we're going to be able to donate.
Exactly. Today we'll actually hit a milestone where from September to December, we were able to give about 2,500 heads of lettuce to the community. We'll break that record today in only 2 months. And it looks like we're the 21,000 servings that we did last year, with our plans within the greenhouse, we'll be able to do over 1 million servings of food this year.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really, and so that goes back to the whole celebrating innovation in a way, and thinking about the space that you have and what you know, where you can plant something and how you can plant something and doing it in a really innovative way. So if people come out this year for the fair, they're not only going to see this tank, but we have one that's twice as big, right? That's going to be put into this room and installed. It's coming. So obviously we're going to have to move the plants around in here, I'm assuming, because it's pretty full right now.
We'll make some room come springtime.
You know, and what I also love is one of the things that we're also doing is helping foster and kind of pay it forward, right? So the boxes that we have, those 500 mobile boxes that we have, each year when the fair starts, we have to move them, obviously, to set up the fair. And 100 or more are going out into the community, and you and your team are going out there to help people understand and start their own urban farm.
Start their own garden initiatives. That's our biggest goal, is to have other people join us in this fight and grow along with us.
So it is, yeah. So all of this has been harvested and is going over for donation. It looks like we're getting some chives ready to go over for donation. You guys are doing great stuff. This is the perfect way to end our kind of week-long theme reveal. We can't wait to see you guys out here for the 2018 fair and celebrate Texas innovation with us. Don't forget, I know we've had lots of questions about the theme art and t-shirts and when can I get those? They're coming, I promise. As well as we have gotten lots of requests for the Big Tex Urban Farm. Those are going to also be online soon. You can get one of those and kind of help support this great growing initiative. So this is one of those things that the staff is really proud about, and we can't wait for you to share this and then kind of share everything that we've learned about it next year at the fair. Bye guys, have a great weekend.
Bye. Stay dry.
Howdy, folks.